Nobody making a paycheck is paid what they're worth. Create your own paycheck. Thanks for checking in, guys. I'm Michelle Kinney. I'm here to tell you there is a better way. You can literally create your own income on a weekly basis, selling puts and calls. This channel is all about distributing free information to help you do just that. There are only two easy strategies that you need to know: selling puts and selling covered calls. That's it. You don't have to be looking at screens all day. You don't have to be attached to your phone. You don't have to spend oodles of time on this. 15 minutes a day, that's all. Number one, choose a stock that you like, that you want to trade. I'm going to walk through how to do that in this video. And I'm going to show you how easy it is step by step. These are the exact strategies that I use. Every day, Monday through Friday, I host a free live stream where I go through the trade, execute it, and manage it, and show you everything in real time. Now let's jump right in and get started. All right, so first we're going to walk through selling a put on Robinhood. We're going to look at the chart first, just to get an idea on where it's been trading for the past year. Then we're going to check out how much money we can make on selling a put. We're going to type the ticker in here and fetch the data. Then we're going to choose the expiration date. Now, I personally like short-term contracts because of two reasons. Number one, I want to make money every single week. And number two, I don't want to tie up my capital for a long period of time. I don't know where the stock's going to go. So let's choose the next expiration, which is June 18th. Now here, we see all the different strike prices that we can choose. The strike price is the price at which you're committing to buy the shares if it dropped below that value before the contract expires. Now, I always look at what's called delta. We'll see the number here with the little triangle. Delta tells us the statistical likelihood that the stock is going to fall that much before the contract expires. This particular contract is a 22 delta, so there's only a 22% likelihood that the stock is going to drop that much before expiration. Now, I always evaluate the trade before I enter it because I want to make sure I know how much money I'm going to make on an annualized basis. That tells you if it's a good trade based on the risk versus the return. So we can see a couple of things here. Robinhood right now is trading at $93 per share. This is an $87 strike price that expires on June 18th. Now that's only 4 days away, so it's very short term. This contract is paying $110. So as soon as we enter the trade, that money gets dropped into our account and we keep that no matter what happens. The money we need to make the trade if we're selling a cash secured put is $8,700 because it's an $87 strike. Now keep in mind, the stock has to drop 6.5% in order to require you to buy those shares. That's a pretty big drop. And because we're making $110 on the trade and we're putting up $8,700 in capital, we're literally making ourselves almost 80% on an annualized basis. And the best part is, if we have to buy the shares, we just turn right around and sell a covered call right afterward. Check out one of the other videos to see how that works. Hey guys, Michelle again. Do you see how easy it can be? Can you see yourself doing this on a regular basis? It takes a little bit of time to learn because it's new, right? But once you learn, it literally takes 15, maybe 20 minutes every day, and you're collecting yourself cash on a weekly basis. Now, I hope this video helped. If you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm putting up videos all the time, and be sure to hop into one of the live streams during the week. Happy trading!